Okay. Hello. My name's Hector Garcia, and this is my toy of choice. It is an old school vintage Tonka truck that belonged to my son, and unfortunately, nobody plays with it anymore. That's why it is as old and dirty as it looks. However, it still holds up to their motto, which is Tonka trucks, we make them last. But this is something that, I mean, obviously, I grew up with. These are the kinds of toys that my parents got us, my brother and I, and we shared our Tonka truck, and we definitely beat it up and got its use out of it. I think at the time that the Tonka truck was originally released, it was released. If I did a little bit of research, it was released originally back in 1947. However, I was born in 1980, so looking back at the commercials and thinking back about the commercials that were originally made back in the 80s, um, they were definitely made for boys. Um, Now, I mean, I wouldn't even say that they're gender specific as to them trying to focus on anybody, whether it's a boy or a girl. But when I was growing up and in the early days when Tonka trucks first came out, then yes, they were definitely tailored to you know for boys. Um, uh, Back then it was. Now not so much. Um, does the toy have potential influence? Yes. The answer one of the last questions on the instructions. Does this toy have the potential to influence children to act like adults within particular gender constructs? Absolutely. This toy will make obviously any child, now boy or girl, but in Tonka's target audience, boys will make boys act like if they are working construction men that are hauling off loads, that are taking and dumping and picking up and doing everything that a construction worker would do with a big truck like this. So, does it do that? Absolutely. Did I do that growing up playing with this when I was a kid? Yes. And um, I'm not ashamed to say that if there was another kid playing with this now, I would probably still join in and revert back to my days for when I originally played with these trucks and got everything that I could out of them. But yeah, this is an old memory, an old toy that is very near and dear to my heart. Not only because I played with it growing up, but also because my son, which is now 17, also played with it growing up. Um, and like I said, nobody plays with it anymore here at my house, but it's I haven't brought myself to get rid of it yet, and I don't think I ever will. Um, so yeah, this is my toy, and I hope you like it.